Hello VLP. If you look to make 10% earning on your income monthly and this is your target, you are on the right place and you will learn how to do that with DeFi. We're going to share with you our DeFi portfolio, obviously our success on February, on our outlook on nice opportunity we see for beginning of March. So just let's start. Before we start, just like this video and subscribe on this channel if you want to have access to all our report on a weekly basis. Every Monday we will publish a report with nice opportunity for you. And obviously on our community you have everything you need to learn how to do DeFi, discussion with live chat, live real people, education, toolbox, on everything. So let's start about success for February. First, we have an opportunity we announced on our community on the 2nd of February on Hyperliquid. This make a plus 80%, 18% in 1 month. This is real data. You can check or look at that in our reporting. We announced this in the 2nd of February on this stay in this range for all the months. So if you put 10K, you make more than 1,800 dollars in income just putting liquidity in a pool. We also and have a nice quick opportunity on arrival in 15 hours. You can make 6.7% income. We also identify Uniswap opportunity in the month of February when the price really go down deeply. Then we have a up in price of 12%, and we'll also make some nice yield during in the meantime, which make 30% opportunity wins on success for February. Finally, we also have Aster, where in this run since 60 days, this means you don't have anything to do on to manage since 60 days, and you can make 15.6% earnings. In the meantime, if you enter 60 days ago, as the price of Aster is exactly as the same price, if you just hold Aster, you don't make any money. But if you put it into liquidity pool, you can make 15.6%. This is real data and this is what we do. We also have an Autopilot Vault strategy. If you want to have access to it, send me a private message or a comment in this video and we'll share you the link. This strategy, when the markets do less 33% on Bitcoin or less 43% on Ethereum, we are neutral. This means we don't lose any money and we're ready to start and make some nice 13% to 23% APR incomes on this strategy. So let's talk about the macro market. Obviously, Trump after Venezuela on Greenland, now they have announced on launch attack with Israel on the Iran to stop nuclear development. We'll talk about this already in the last report, and we say this is a threat we need to manage. So now it's real. We have a reaction from Russia and China. We need to check, and this will make possible also future geopolitical action with China, which can invade Taiwan, and also Russia, which is still pushing on Ukraine. For the oil markets, as Iran said, they want to stop the communication on the Strait of Hormuz. The price of oil just pumped 12% in during the weekend, but we don't see any liquidity pool opportunity on that. But on the gold, there is a nice XAUT USDT crypto, and they think the gold will go up to 6,000. So we have here an opportunity, and we see some nice liquidity pool where we can provide asset and make some nice earning on XAUT USDT. If you look on my past last video, I will put a link also. You can access to this opportunity on its on T5 pool on XAUT USDT. On the interest rate on the 18th of March, I think we will have no change. But as I told you, Ethereum since the beginning of the year make less 43%. Bitcoin make less 33%, and I think it's not the end. Look at Bitcoin on a daily, no, it's a monthly basis. Here we have an imbalance open at 72 on 81, so the price may look at this price before going down, but we also have an imbalance open at 48k on BTC. This is my target for this week, obviously. I think we are on the bear market, as we identify this since November 2025 on our community. We avoid our community to lose a lot of money, and in the meantime, we even if the price drop, we have some nice space of opportunity to make some nice range. So for the Bitcoin, on this month of February, which ends, we go up to 60k in terms of price drop. I think we'll join this 60k soon, and this will break to go to 48k. We have a bear flag on the daily part on Bitcoin. I think we have a new bear flag here, which is a new draw we make on the community. So until it keeps this bear flag, it's okay, but we'll also make some stop loss to avoid to lose our capital in case the price go down and lose this bear flag. So this is how we manage, and we learn our member to manage their liquidity pool to protect their capital in case of drawdown. In terms of net flow, we have a base blockchain positive Hyperliquid on Ethereum. We have an outflow on Arbitrum, but nothing amazing in terms of change for this week. We have a nice announcement with MetaMask on Mastercard, which is now launching their credit card solution on the United States. And we have been told that AVE on the lending borrowing solution, that means you can put your crypto as a collateral and make some lending on it. And you can use solution like AVE, and they have more than 1 trillion of loan in place. This is a new nice success in DeFi history. Also in DeFi history, we have Uniswap, which lands the Uniswap V4, which allow to build some hook. A hook is a solution to make some action like swap, lending, borrowing, and rebalance on your DeFi. This can be made with a AI agent. And we have a banker hook, which use the Uniswap V4 to build some AI agents. And this make more than 100 million in less than 2 weeks with this new hook on AI agent, which can build. You can do it on yourself. And I think this is the first opportunity we will launch for March. So banker with a big range of more than 120%. Banker is a project with make 5.57 million income. So this is the type of project we like to put our money in. We need project which makes some income on revenue, and with a huge range of 90%, less 30%, plus 65%. We have a crazy APR of 1,232%. So that means when people are swapping banker to Rapif to or Wapif to banker, they pay some gas fee, and this gas fee come into your pocket because you provide liquidity pool to do that. So that's the first opportunity you should look at. Obviously, you are on your own and you take your own decision, but this is what we'll do for our community portfolio. On Ethereum, as I told you, the price may drop to 1,200 quickly. That's make a less 36%. So we will use the strategy we deploy and explain on the community. We build a short to protect our capital. This means if the price of Ethereum go down as we have a short, we will make money. So this will compensate the loss in terms of capital because our short position will be positive. And in the meantime, we will provide with a lending borrowing solution some liquidity into a pool with a huge range between 2000 and 1200. And look at that, with this type of range, 1200, 2000, you have amazing APR of almost 700% on Ethereum USDC, which is amazing. And if you use the simulation, and we stay in this range for 30 days, we can make 35% yields on income. So that's the type of opportunity you can find in our community. If you want to have more details, you can book a call with me or one of our experts. And obviously, you can join the community. So then you will have all this information in live on real time and see our portfolio and reaction on movement. So keep safe, take care, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And you have all the link in the detail of this video.